Stolzberg, and I'm here with Frankie the baker at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace, and we're about to do a little baking.
That's right.
What are we making, Frankie?
Making St. Joseph pastries with custard cream. This is super easy. Once you get the shortening melted down into the water, it's going to boil. A pinch of salt and your flour. This will become like a nice roux. And you're going to transfer this into the mixing bowl. And we're just going to add 1 egg at a time. You need to wait till this cools off, or else you're going to cook the egg.
Scrambled eggs.
Yes.
Don't want
You
scrambled
don't want
eggs.
scrambled eggs. Get the batter.
I'll hold it for you.
Yep. Drop it in. Get the bag out.
What's that? That little piping thing. Look.
That's right.
Oh my
All
God.
set.
Like magical. That's cool.
All right, Lou. Here we go. We're going to go in.
Wow.
All right. It's going to puff up. It's going to explode from inside, and it's going to open up. This is the fun part for me, when I get to cut them, fill them, decorate them, and eat them.
Nice. That looks delicious.
Now we can eat.
Exactly. It took a little work, but
Yep.
still super
Yep,
simple.
absolutely.
A little patience and some love. So if you'd like to try this at home, head to our website, news12.com, and the recipe will be there. Frankie, thank you so much.
All right. I hope you try some.
I will.